welcome back to the Magical Gamer, and today we shall be playing a Minecraft server called MinePlex. They're like in the Christmas season right now, so I thought, you know what, why don't we just go ahead and play a server? And I am so very sorry for not uploading any videos lately. It's just really hard to upload with school, and then I have homework, and it's just really hard. And then I have a new baby, so I'm like taking care of the other one, and I just had surgery to get my appendix removed, and it's like, well, what the heck? When do I have time for YouTube, you know? So yeah, my life has been really crazy right now. So, let's see what we have to play today. Cake Wars, Master Builders, hardcore games, survival games. How about we play some block hunt? Looking for a block hunt server. Connecting. Awkward silence. Yay, okay. Starting in 10 seconds. So yeah, I'm so sorry for not uploading. I will try to upload more, and that'll be good. I think I'm a hider. Hiders have 20 seconds to hide. Dang it! I'm a seeker. I wanted to hide. Okie dokie then. Let's see. Oh geez. The hunters have been released. Go, go, go. We have to find everyone. Ooh, we're on a boat. Oh, so laggy. What are the block choices for this game? Oh geez, they didn't tell us block choices. Oh no. I don't know what to look for. Maybe like a hay bale? Hello? Maybe one of these pigs. Ooh, I killed someone! So if they're taking damage, then... Oh my god. Someone just took damage. Ow! It's me. Who's hitting me? Hello? What the heck? Ow! It's that pig. Is it a chicken? Oh god, it's not letting me turn. Help! Help! Okay, I'm gonna get out and get back in. It's really laggy. Jeez, 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 do, 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 do. Oh, okay, here comes the awkward silence. Hello? Generating world, yay! Okay. Oh, it's just gonna be laggy for me. That's nice. I'm gonna do Master Builders, because that wasn't so laggy. Alrighty, join the green team. Teamwork makes the dream work, guys. Always trust in your team. Are we building a crater? Build a sandwich. Alrighty, let's see what we have to build with. A sandwich. Oh, you know what'd be funny? if we were able to use sand, that would be hilarious. Do they not have sand? A mushroom, sand. Because we're going to build a sandwich. Haha. Oh, that was cringy. I tried, okay? I tried. Okay, what can we use as the crust? Now, I know some people don't like crust, but fortunately enough, I like crust. So, what is this? That's weird shaped. Okay. I'll say just use wood. Or like dirt. Alrighty. So it's basically just a square. What is happening? I did not want these blocks. Okay. I'm gonna build the best sandwich ever. Don't they have the little, like, crease thing in the middle? I think they do. Alrighty. Here's the bottom bread. Why is it being mean to me? Oh, geez. I have to do this quickly. Quicker. Quicker. I am so scared. I will probably fail epically at this, but it's worth a shot. Alrighty. Stop disappearing. Okay, just fill this all with sand, and we should be good. Fill, fill, fill. Fill, fill, fill. Fill, fill, fill. Fill, fill, fill. 2 minutes. Oh no. I gotta go faster. Oh no, I'm gonna have a bread sandwich. What, did I just say sandwich? Sandwich. I think people will find humor in my sandwich. Okay, let's see. Ham and cheese. What can we use as ham? Think. Maybe this and this. No. Sponge. Okay. Oh, you could use wool. What am I thinking? Pink and yellow. Okay. Just fill that in. I'll go and fill in the ones that glitch out in just a second. Stop glitching out on me. Oh my god, 30 seconds. It's just gonna be a ham sandwich. 15 seconds remaining. Like a half-eaten sandwich. It's just gonna be a half-eaten sandwich. Oh no. Oh no, I should have done it way smaller and probably 2D dimensional. Actually, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna do good. Oopsies. Oh, that one's cool. Whoa. It said to vote fairly, guys. I'm gonna vote fairly. This is pretty cool. I probably should have done something like that. Oh my god, it's mine. It's mine. I'm gonna put amazing. I know. I don't think I'm gonna win. That's cool. I'm gonna put good. Oh my lord. I'm gonna do that because honestly, more effort needed. Ooh, look at the pretty water. It's not real water, but. Oh, dang it. Okay, well, that's all the time I have for today, guys. And yeah. Ooh, no thanks. So, that's all the time that I have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends. Happy holidays. I hope you have a good new year, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.